Hi everybody, today I would like to teach you about the relative pronoun whose. How to use the relative pronoun whose in order to join two events into one. Let us learn in this session very clearly. Generally, we use the relative pronoun whose in the place of adjectival pronoun. In the place of adjectival pronoun with the people. We use the relative pronoun whose with the people in the place of adjectival pronoun. Okay, this is the point that we have to remember while combining two events by using the relative pronoun whose. Relative clauses are relative pronouns whose. For example, he is my friend, his father is a doctor. These are the two events that we can observe. He is my friend. This is the first event. His father is a doctor. This is the second event. Let us join these two events by using the relative pronoun whose. If you take second event, his father is a doctor. Here his is the adjectival pronoun. This is the adjective and this is in the form of pronoun which comes before the noun. Generally, an adjective always comes before the noun. Your father is the noun. Here his is pronoun, and the pronoun his describes the quality of the noun father. So that here his is called the adjectival pronoun. The adjectival pronoun. Instead of this adjectival pronoun, we should use whose while joining the two events with the relative pronoun whose. The adjectival pronoun is to be removed from the second event. Then he is my friend whose father is a doctor. He is my friend whose father is a doctor. In such a way, you can combine two events by using the relative pronoun whose. The point that we have to remember should be understood very obviously here. Instead of the adjectival pronoun, we should use whose in order to join two events. He is my friend. His father is a teacher. He is my friend whose father is a teacher. She is Lalita. Her purse has been stolen. She is Lalita whose purse has been stolen. He is Vishnu. His passport was out of date. He is Vishnu whose passport was out of date. He is my friend. His sister is a lawyer. He is my friend whose sister is a lawyer. In such a way, instead of adjectival pronoun, we should use the relative pronoun whose in order to combine two events. Okay? In order to combine two events into one, we use the relative pronoun whose instead of adjectival pronoun. Okay? In my next session, I shall meet you with some other new topic. Till then, thank you very much.